Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, o ka hua ʻōlelo o kēia la o hoi o pukaaniani. Aloha folks, my name is Kui. Today's word of the day is pukaaniani. Now puka we previously learned as a hole or an opening, an entrance, a door for a house or a hale. This one, pukaaniani, same thing, puka, opening, but aniani in this terms means glass. So pukaaniani, a glass emerging or a glass opening window, maikai. Pukaaniani. Now be careful, not ani-ani. You want to glide those vowels together. Ani-ani. Maikai. Pukaaniani. Maikai. Okay, we'll try and use that in a sentence. E pani I ka pukaaniani. E pani I ka pukaaniani. Pani ka pukaaniani means close the window or shut the window. E pani I ka pukaaniani. Maikai. Ahui ho kākou.